Sacrificial anodes, also known as zincs, are an important component of your outboard or your stern drive, and it's often overlooked. Today we are going to clean the anodes on this 200 horse outboard, and we are going to replace the anodes on a smaller 60 horse model. Anodes may develop a skin coat of corrosion, which can be cleaned off with fine grit sandpaper. However, they should be replaced when about half of the anode has been depleted to corrosion. For more information, visit quicksilver-products.com.